amazing people, welcome to my beauty channel Mush Creations, where I'll be exploring with you all everything about makeup, trends, cosmetics and lifestyle. So today I'll be talking about understanding the different kind of skin types that we have. Yeah, I understand that we all want to look fabulous, we want to look good, we want to look beautiful at all times. But before the application or purchase of any makeup product, we need to understand that we have different type of skin types. And what are they? We have the dry skin, normal skin, combination skin, and the oily skin. The dry skin is whereby the skin doesn't have enough moisture to make it soft and supple. Combination skin is whereby your skin can be either dry, oily at times. That is where you see on your T-zone area, it tends to be shiny like the forehead, like the chin. What is the normal skin? Normal skin is whereby your skin is a well-balanced skin type. It is neither dry nor oily. Then lastly, we have the oily skin. Oily skin is whereby the face produces excess oil, giving it that shiny and greasy appearance. Please note, at times your skin types can change over time, maybe due to weather, due to climate change, body hormones, your age, or even stress can make your skin type change over time. So my dear friend, I want you to understand that different makeup products are specially formulated for different skin types. So to all my viewers all over the world, please, I want you to understand that we have different kind of skin type, and that understanding your skin type will help you to know the exact makeup product that will suit well for your individual needs. I remain your beauty girl, O to the Livia. Keep smiling, stay beautiful, and watch out for more content next time. Bye bye.